After registering its third win in the tournament, Team India now tops the Group B points table. Our correspondent Shivani Gupta caught up with some elated Indian fans outside the WACA Stadium at Perth.
It's turned out to be a great match for India. Low-scoring one, but exactly what they needed to keep the momentum going. I have some boisterous Indian fans here with me. This big win. It may be a match against UAE, but fans enjoyed it thoroughly. Let's talk. All right. Let's talk with a few fans here if we can manage that. What did you like about the match today? It was low scoring, but did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Who was your favorite player today?
Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
Not Rohit Sharma, who scored the half century. Do you think India is now the team to beat in this competition?
Of course. Wait, India got this. Let's go India! Come on India! Come on India! You got this, boys.
The youngest supporter here. Yes. He's not too happy. Oh, the poor guy is a little troubled with all the noise here. But tell me, what do you think? Who's going to be the toughest challenge for India in this World Cup?
No strongest team than India. That's it. India
needs to hold on the horses. The way Chris Gayle going now.
All right, fans very, very happy. There are lots of expectations now from the team after the first 3 wins. And here's hoping, of course, that they can deliver on that. The tougher challenge, though, will come against the West Indies here at Perth itself. With camera person Manish Mathur at Perth, Shivani Gupta for Headlines Today.
And Shivani is with us live from Perth this afternoon. Shivani, fans obviously really happy. Team India winning their 3rd consecutive match at the World Cup. This, of course, was going to be an easy one.
Yes, it was supposed to be an easy one and it might have been just a match against UAE. But if you look at the fans' fervour here... Like I said, it might have been a match against the UAE, but fans really excited. 3 wins in a row now for India. There's the dole here and everything. But let me just talk to the fans a little bit. All right, let me just talk to you guys for a little bit. Do you think India can defend its title? Does it look like that?
Yes, I think it does. It really does. We've had the 3 months practice session here, and after what's gone through, definitely back for it. Yes, we're going to keep the World Cup again.
And the way they're playing, I think it's really a good chance for them to keep the World Cup back.
It is a good chance because they're bowling, they're batting, everything is functioning really well right now, and the fielding has been great.
Exactly, they will win for sure.
They will win for sure. A lot of fans have been travelling all across Australia, and of course these bunch of people who are from the locals here in Perth are going to come back again for the match against West Indies. To be a tougher challenge. So do you think India can beat West Indies here as well?
Yeah. Because, we have a Virat Kohli.
A couple of players who can play big innings against West Indies.
We are going to win the World Cup.
But it's going to be a much tougher fight for India against West Indies. They have the fast bowlers who can extract the bounce and pace here at the Perth wicket. And they also, of course, have Chris Gayle. That's going to be a big challenge for India.
Yeah, but against Chris Gayle, we have Virat Kohli and Raina. Yeah, cup is ours.
There's no doubt they're going to win.
All right. There's no doubt in the fans' mind that India is going to remain undefeated in this World Cup. 3 matches in a row. First time they won their first 3 matches in a World Cup campaign. So as far as the start is concerned, it couldn't have been better than this.
Absolutely, Shivani. Fans extremely charged there. They, of course, watched that match between India and the UAE, saw India crush the debutant side. Shivani, if you could ask them, who's their favourite player in the current team? Virat Kohli seems to be topping the charts.
Anyone?
Shivani, could you ask those fans who's their favourite player from the Indian side?
All right, studio's asking who's your favourite player.
Virat Kohli.
Simi, Virat Kohli is the outright winner if you talk about popularity charts. In fact,
We are missing Virat.
there's absolutely no question who the fans like the most. Virat Kohli is the ultimate winner of any popularity contest. In fact, I met a few Aussie kids also a couple of days ago who had come just for a glimpse of Virat Kohli. So young or old, Indian or anywhere from around the world, Virat Kohli Simi is the top choice as the man that can win India the title again.
That's what Virat Kohli is obviously.